I think this is an exception to the trend we see during the last week. Of course, the situation in Uman is very, very is of concern. There were lots of preparations. It's very unfortunate that some people try to forge, and I'm happy that it's taken care with all means. But in general, we see, according to our models, that there is a decline. And on the other hand, we don't need to think that COVID, the fourth wave, is over. We see the reverse of the trend because mainly of the third dose. Also, many that are doing the first and second one. There is a big, huge difference between those vaccinated and not vaccinated. I'm talking now about the third dose, and I really urge everyone that was vaccinated longer than 5 months ago to do so. But vaccines are not enough. We have the Green Pass, we have tests. There were problems with tests, and now these are going to be more places open. So altogether, this kind of multi-layer approach, this should be the right one. And after the holidays, we're going to see the situation, but I'm happy that we got without lockdown. We need to remember that there is an overwhelming situation in the hospitals, and we need to take care not just of the COVID patients, but also the healthcare workers in hospitals, community, public health services, and strengthen them for the future challenges.
Professor, over and above investigations for people who are alleged to have faked test results, the fact is that there are many who have come back COVID positive. What steps should communities be taking if people are coming back from abroad? Are checks in place to make sure that travellers keep to quarantine rules when they do get back from anywhere in the country?
You're right. I mean, this must be a combination of both the state and its responsibility, but also we need to have the communities that must show solidarity. And I know that many of them are doing so. I was praying outside during Rosh Hashanah. I know that many synagogues, they have they nominated a COVID person that will take care. So this cannot be just the state. We need to have both the personal and community responsibility in order to show solidarity and moving ahead with lots of precautions. We know how to deal with COVID. It's not, the first wave. We know that things that are outside are less risky, better. And I hope also that the enforcement will be much better than used to be. There is a discussion in the parliament on Tuesday about the Green Pass. I think we need to be much more, open for activities that are outside, like in parks, swimming pools, synagogues praying outside versus things that are taking place indoors that are much riskier. So the question of masks, tests, and all of that, everything altogether should be taken into consideration.